And coming up for you right now, out of Canada, 21 years old, it's Matt Margetts. Margetts looking really smooth, going into a switch.
Yeah!
Thompson. Could it be in Colorado, 18 years old, Taylor Seaton. And give it up for Taylor Seaton.
The last two tour stops were real fun. Got to go. I qualified in both slope and pipe at the Breckenridge stop, and missed finals by one spot or two spots at the Breckenridge stop, and then at the Mount Snow stop, I had a little bit of little travel trouble. I was coming over from France from the Teen Airwaves. That we got second in, no big deal, which is last place, but either way. Yeah, we came over. I totally missed training because my flight didn't make it on time, and came in, landed my runs, and missed finals by one spot. Then went to X Games, same thing, missed finals by one spot, and finally...
Is our bubble boy going to make it onto the correct side of the bubble this time?
Matt Margetts, 7th place right there.
7th place. Give it up for Matt Margetts.
And finally, this comp, Northstar, sunny, beautiful. Marge finally makes finals, so I get to ski under the lights. I'm real stoked, man. It's gonna be fun. This pipe's pretty good. As you can see, it's a little small, but it's awesome, man. We've been having a blast in it. Yeah! Oh, hello, people of the world. My wallet's missing, my name's in it, credit cards, money, license, SIN number, BC Med card, chicks numbers. If you find my wallet, return it, please. It might be on a hotel floor in Reno, hotel room, I'm not sure. But yeah, hopefully you can get that back to me. Peace.